Ugh, they just told me I have to plan the family reunion next year.
A family reunion moment. Stop pretending family reunions are easy. If you've ever tried to organize one, you know it's not just a matter of picking a date and sending out a group text. It's a high-stakes operation that can test the patience of even the most organized family member. You might think, how hard can it be to get everyone together for a weekend? But the reality is it's a logistical puzzle with 1,000 moving pieces. They're not a picnic, they're a full-blown obstacle course. Imagine trying to set up tables while dodging flying frisbees or wrangling kids who'd rather climb trees than help with decorations. There's always someone who forgets the tablecloths and another who insists on rearranging the seating chart at the last minute. It's like a team-building exercise, except your team is made up of people who still argue about who got the bigger slice of cake in 1997. Seriously, even Olympic planners get nervous. They have years to prepare, a massive budget, and a team of professionals. You have a group chat, a spreadsheet, and a prayer. And let's be honest, the stakes feel just as high. If you can pull off a family reunion, you could probably run a small country. First, you'll need a location. Grandma wants it close to her house, but Cousin Pete refuses to leave his Wi-Fi bubble. Aunt Linda suggests the beach, but Uncle Joe hates sand. Someone else wants a cabin in the woods, but half the family is allergic to trees. By the time you finish the debate, you'll wish you just booked a conference call instead. Next, there's the date. Good luck finding a weekend that magically works for 25 people who can't even agree on pizza toppings. There's always a wedding, a soccer tournament, or a last-minute business trip. Someone's always double booked, and someone else will forget to RSVP until the night before. You'll spend hours scrolling through calendars, only to realize the only free weekend is the one you wanted for yourself. Don't forget about food. Half the family is vegan, Uncle Joe brings mystery meat, and someone always forgets the potato salad in the car. There's a gluten-free cousin, a dairy-free aunt, and a nephew who only eats chicken nuggets. The buffet table turns into a culinary minefield, and you'll need a spreadsheet just to keep track of who's bringing what. And no matter how much you plan, someone will show up with 3 bags of chips and call it a side dish. Oh, and activities? Bingo is too boring, tug-of-war is too competitive, and karaoke, well, let's just say it's not for the faint of heart. The kids want a scavenger hunt, the teens want Wi-Fi, and the adults just want a nap. You'll try to please everyone, but someone will always complain that the games are too childish or too intense. And when the karaoke machine comes out, brace yourself for off-key renditions of Sweet Caroline that will haunt your dreams. So the next time someone says, family reunions are simple, just smile and pass them the schedule with a side of earplugs. Because if you can survive planning a family reunion, you can survive anything. And remember, in the end, it's not about the perfect meal or the flawless schedule. It's about the memories you make, the stories you'll tell, and the family you somehow manage to bring together, chaos and all. So take a deep breath, grab your planning notebook, and get ready for the adventure.